Yes, once again, I'm here. I'm Samuel Mugabi. My contacts are here, and I'm going to take you now through the tutorial one. That is uh, that is what is Schoolpesa, the basics of Schoolpesa, the advantages or merits, and then why Schoolpesa is unique. So, first, we are going to go to what is Schoolpesa. So I'm going to briefly define what is Schoolpesa. Schoolpesa is a service, it's a web service, so it's online. It's an online system that is it runs on a web portal, and this online system can be used to aid schools to generate new curriculum reports for their students. So the system is going to it's going to manage the student data, the staff data. So you are going to provide inputs, and then it will output the reports at either the mid of the term, the end of the term, as long as the topic scores are in. So the system, you will enter the student data. Then after you enter the student data, you can enter the teacher data. Then you enter the topic marks, as I'm going to take you through the system. Then you enter all what the report requires. For example, the project marks, the topic marks, the games and sports comments, the club comments, everything that the report wants. So at the end of the term, or in the mid of the term, you can easily generate the student reports in just clicks, just seconds. So the advantages of Schoolpesa: one is the service supports different user types at different access levels. What I mean by that is our system our system is segmented, has user segments. So when I give you a role as a teacher, you cannot do the role of a games and sports manager or a club manager. For example, you as the admin, you can assign the staff a role as a teacher, or you can assign the staff a role as a games and sports manager, or a project manager, or a club manager, club activity manager. So, for example, after assigning that role, the user, you can say that the club manager is only going to enter comments for the club activities with the students. So that means the club manager is not going to enter topic scores. So that's the system has that access level and restriction. That means only the teachers will be able to enter topic scores, and then the teachers cannot again go into the section of the club manager. Then two, the system comes with well-defined topics and competences for all subjects as required from the NCD syllabus. So in our system, we have already put all topics and all competences and all subjects within the NCD syllabus. So we got the books, we entered all data from the NCD syllabus books, and then so our system comes with that already defined for your school. So our system already has those topics, it has the competences, and it has the subjects for the. So when you are generating a report, you don't need to enter them again. They are all the system. So advantage three is that when we were designing this system, we based on the NCDC sample report. So at the end of our tutorials, you'll see that I'm going to print out a report that is almost similar, if not similar, to the NCDC sample report. So our system generates exactly what the NCDC recommends. So number four is that our system supports up to 10 scores for each topic. So in our system, you can enter topic marks of up to 10 topics within a term. Yes. Number five is that the system has the ability to add, so you can add students in different terms, in different classes, in different sections. You can just add students or import students if they are in a bulky format. So number 6 is the system. You can add staff, all teachers, all import staff, all teachers. Number 7 is that you can generate a single report. So you can generate a single report, all reports for students, and print. So I will do that in the last tutorial. You will see that will be the last tutorial. That will be tutorial 7 as per our previous video shown. So number 8 is that the system stores marks forever. Yes, so our system, when a new term begins, you create what we call a session all the term. So the marks of the term are stored. So they're like, when you save them, they are archived. So they are in the system forever. When you go to the next term, you are going to create a new session. So the marks are going to be in the system forever. So whenever UNEB wants them, or whenever you want to submit them, you can just restore the archive and submit to UNEB. Number 9 is that the teacher can enter marks from anywhere they are. If they are at their home, they can enter marks from anywhere they are. Since the system is online and it can be easily accessed from any device, your phone, your computer, your laptop, your tablet, the system can be accessed from anywhere. So on the topic, on the importance of convenience, we have a feature whereby if you are the head teacher or the director, you can also see the progress of the syllabus coverage. For example, if you are at home, you can go ahead and print a subject performance report and see how the teachers are teaching the topics and which topics are done. Because if this subject performance report is able to show you that topic 1 was covered, it means that topic is done. So that's a good advantage of being convenient and accessible. Number 10 is that only a subject teacher can assign student marks. Yes, so only this subject teacher that the administrator is going to assign. For example, if I say that Mr. Chambade Dennis teaches chemistry in S2A, that means Mr. Chambade Dennis will only be able to assign marks for S2A chemistry students, and you will not be able to see to assign marks for any other students. For example, he will not be able to assign marks to CRE in S2A. So you are only assigned chemistry, you will only assign marks to that. So that's an advantage, because then by then Mr. Chambade will not be able to change marks all topic scores in other classes, or subjects. So 11 is that we have ability to generate class performance reports. So our system can do that. Yes, I'll show you. So there's also ability to generate subject performance reports. So these subject performance reports, they are going to list all topics that are covered in a session or a term, and all their scores and the student names. So basically these are the UNEB mark sheets. This is what is needed by the UNEB. So our system does that, and it can easily output it for you. So number 13 is that our system is password protected. So only the users who have access to the system can log in. So if you don't have a password to the system, you cannot log in, because you are not guaranteed access. Number 14 is that the system can be accessed from anywhere, from any device. So it's compatible to any device as long as the device has internet access. So you can access it from a tablet, mobile phone, iPad, desktop, MacBook, from any device. 15 is that we are going to have the ability for parents to log in and view student reports during the term. So since the new syllabus gives us that it gives us that freedom to see how the student is progressing. For example, if topic 1 is done, topic 1 is scored. So the parent can receive a notification that topic 1 is done, then the parent can see how the student has performed in topic 1. So our system will have that capability. The parents, so 16 parents will receive a notification once a new topic score is entered by the by the teacher. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. So you can see our advantages and how we are unique. Thank you very much. And so in the next tutorial, we are going to cover how to access Schoolpesa and login. Yes, we are going to log in as admins and access Schoolpesa. Then see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye.